Little did Matt Fornes know, following in his family's footsteps would lead to an open door. So when he wasn't sure about his future after graduating high school in 2016, he enrolled in Johnson College, like the two generations before him.
It was my choice. I was like, maybe this is going to be the best place for me. Everyone was successful in my family, and I knew Johnson is the place to go.
The college's drafting and design program was a perfect fit for Matt's passion for art and drawing.
Johnson College is straight to the point. You're going to go there, you'll be there for 2 years. It's fast. They're going to tell you exactly what you need.
He says the courses taught him skills he'll use for the rest of his life.
In Matt's case, the 2-year path at Johnson College led him straight into his full-time career here at Pleasant Mount Welding.
I graduated on Saturday, and I was right into the workforce as of Monday. So no time for breaks. It was time to get right into things.
Since his graduation in May, Matt works as a detail drafter where he's assigned structures to draw for the manufacturing company that also specializes in wastewater plants. He credits trust as the key throughout his college journey.
And I'm doing what I love because of Johnson. They gave me their time, they trusted in me, and I trusted in them, and I worked my butt off, and I got what I needed, a full-time job in just 2 years. And that's what Johnson can really do.
Sydney Wark, FOX56 News, Tech Talk.
Tech Talk is brought to you by Johnson College. You can visit Johnson College campus anytime to meet instructors and explore their industry-driven lab spaces. The #10 trade school in the nation, right here in Scranton. Johnson College.